Have you ever wished someone could handle your social media for you? Creating posts, writing caption, and posting every day takes a lot of time. But what if an AI could do all that for you? Today, I'm testing SureThing AI, an AI media assistant that can help you to create condensed scheduled posts and even publish them automatically. So instead of switching between different social media platforms, you can manage everything from one dashboard. In this video, I will show you how SureThing AI work, how easy it for SATOM, and whether it can really save your time. So let's jump in, and if SureThing is the smart social media assistant you have been looking for. So let's check out. So guys, you can check it out. Here's our website. SureThing is also available there. Your AI operation team always own it, and you can check out the website is also available there. If you want to try it out, click on the try it for free. And when you first sign up on this platform, you could get those 1,650 coins free, guys. And here's the sign-in options also available that you can sign in now. And guys, you can check it out. I have successfully loaded in this platform, and you can check it out. This is our SureThing app where you can check out the routine section where you can routine everything is all you need. You can also add up your own routine, and routine templates are also available there. The integration is also available there where you can connect your own apps, and you can it's also connect more than 1,000 apps and let AI operate them all just like you do. And here is everything you could also check out. Any browse agents are also available there. The project is also available there. You could check it out too. So guys, you can check it out. I have given my projects also available there. You could check it out. And here is my projects also available in front of you and how you can connect your app here. First of all, you need to click on the Connect Apps. The apps category will be available in front of you like Browser Attention, Gmail, Slack, LinkedIn, HubSpot, Notion, Treater, Stripe, Instagram. Everything's available there. Which app you want to connect with them. So guys, I'm going to connect my email here over there. Here's my email, which is connected here, and you can check it out. It's all been connected and super easy where you can also connect your other apps like that. And guys, you can check it out. I have successfully connected my YouTube account with them. Now AI can run everything like the posting, everything I could done through this AI, nothing I will do by myself. So guys, you can check it out. My YouTube is also connected, mine here in front of you. And now I can literally give any prompt on my platform and let my prompt run here. Now SureThing will give everything now. And let's look at that in just a few seconds what SureThing has done. And this is the result, but it's also in front of you guys. So guys, let me show you the next thing. And guys, you can check it out. Now let's move ahead to the pages. So guys, here's the pages. You can check it out. It's my pages I already have been generated, and it has been schedules over there. You can check it out now. And after that, in the agents section, you could check out, here's my agents also running here, and you can check it out how it can be done. And now let's check out their routine. And guess you can also encourage your own routines over there, like and everything will be done at their own time if you give this to your AI. Check it out. This is my routine, and so much amazing, and that's why I love SureThing's an amazing and perfect platform for you. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I just gave my order to my agent, and like that, I gave it an order to email someone, and I gave the information of any person that you have to send the email, and look at that. What my agent did, and he has found the email through my email section because I have already connected my email on my YouTube section. You can also give post and everything on your YouTube channel too, and there's no need of API, just like Thing. And after that, I gave them a response why you need to email, and look at that. He has sent the email, and check it out. This is the email which have been sent by my agent to the email section, which I have given by them. Give an order. Your thing will do this. So guys, we have checked everything about this platform, and their first for the subscription, they are giving 50% off. You can choose out their plan, and when you log in this platform, you could get 1,650 coins on this platform. That is also insane. So guys, that was our video. I hope you liked, enjoyed. We will meet in our next video, so have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy, and thanks you.